forgot to vlog.
And that's hats off to her. So let's congratulate her. It's brilliant, Rohini.
A girl's got to eat. Okay? Don't stress. I almost forgot to vlog. Almost forgot to record this. But I'm on my way now. I'm not running late because I already had asked them what was the latest time I could be there by. It just took time, everything. This is better. I just spoke and recorded for I think 5 minutes and nothing got recorded. This is fun. What I was saying was I'm going for this book launch at Crossword. It's happening at Phoenix Mall in Pune, the OG one, the one at Viman Nagar, and it's this book written by Dr. Rohini Patel. The book's name is Glowing Skin and Gorgeous Hair. So it'll be fun to learn about. I love learning about skincare, hair care, and it would be nice to hear from a professional because there's so much. We get information of reels and YouTube videos and stuff, and they're not professionals, most of them, including me. So this is from a doctor, so it'll be fun to see what she has to say. I have to be there by 5:30, so I don't know right now. It won't take time once we're there. The thing is that honestly going to the mall is better to go by a cab because there's a lot of parking issues and stuff, not that I drive. So I'm really excited, and I have to just figure out where it is in the mall. That'll be fun. And there's something, oh my god, this balcony is so cute. Wait. Wow, adorable. Yeah. So what was I saying? I was saying that I just have to figure out where it is, and I hope they don't. I'm there right in time. And now it is. I have 38 minutes. अभी कितना time दिखा रहा है?
27.
27. So I think I should be there. I just have to figure out which gate will be better because there are many gates at the mall. And as usual, I'm in heels. I was actually contemplating. I was like, let me wear flats, but then I was just like, no, can't do that. Not gonna do that. This is the blazer with the outfit. It's a nice olive green blazer. I was gonna do a black one, but I was in a hurry and couldn't find it, as usual. This is the bag. It's adorable. Oh, and my dress is right on theme for a book launch. It's a newspaper print dress. I gotten this stitched in Delhi a couple of years back. The tailors in Delhi are so good in the fabric you get there. They just know everything. You just explain it to them and they understand what to do. In other cities, I feel Bombay also it's easy to find good tailors. In Pune, it's a hit or a miss. For ethnic garments, for Indian clothes, it's still okay. But still, the finishing is not there. Delhi is just, I don't know, they're really fast, it's really reasonable, the amount they charge for stitching and stuff. And it's a high tea, so I'm really excited because it's going to be cute. The only thing is I'm also fasting. So I have my window till 7 p.m. at this camp. So I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I mean, I'm not going to not eat cake. Let's just be honest. Let's get real. That'll be in the other thing, the video, because this is a different one. And I'm hoping to leave early so there's no traffic when I'm coming back. And what else? What else? I'm actually stepping out after a while for one of these events.
Still identified by Twinkle Light.
So it's fun. I'm just trying to say conserve my energy. This bag is really cute, but it doesn't shut with the things I have in it right now. So I'm trying to figure that out. And I forgot to carry water, which is great. Although that's a good thing, honestly. I don't know if I'm allowed to drink coffee on this. Oh, it's like a girl thing. Let me just check. But I don't want to. I'm abstaining from caffeine for other reasons. I had coffee, remember last time, like a few months back, and I was really unwell after it. So I think I should just not. I think they should have green tea, or I forgot to get my spearmint tea leaves and my rose petals. I'll put it in their warm water. There's the Rabjis. I'm giving you a Pune tour. And what else? I'll see you guys there. I think this is enough of getting to know what's happening today. I'm really excited though, because again, I'm talking about Delhi again, but they have so many book events over there. They have these book clubs and at Khan Market, at really cute cafes, and it's so nice. Everyone comes and they discuss things. Here I know it happens, but in Delhi the author is also there, so it's a lot of fun. There are a lot of book clubs that happen in Pune, I'm aware of that, but nothing close to where I live. And let me tell you one thing, when I say close by, I mean that it's not, it's 10-15 minutes away. The thing is, in Pune, if anything is over 20 minutes away, it feels far. So I guess that's what I mean by close by. And this is going to get over, I think, early. Let's see. Before I would actually call people who live around this area and be like, oh, let's make plans and stuff. Now I'm just like, no, I need to get home and sleep. Because it makes sense sometimes to just leave after this when there's less traffic. Peak traffic hours are till around 8:39, and then it's really fast to get home. So yep, I'll see you guys there. I have reached, going on this escalator. Someone just burped behind me. You all see how much I'm walking? I've still not reached.
Sneha, and on behalf of Roswell and she's the founder and CEO of Nutricy Lifestyle, Nutricy Essentials, and Nutricy Academy. All platforms that collectively explore and
So the event is over. Thank you so much. I don't know, get me bread. ये मैदे का है ना, पक्का मैदा ही है. Thank you. और ये सॉस क्या है? कौन सा सॉस है? स्पाइसी है? This is what is happening with the fast like a girl, but it's a girl's got to eat. Don't stress. How sweet. You want me to on the digital camera? No. Oh my God, no, come here. Listen. Sit here, there's too many people behind. Stand up on set. Stay. Do one thing, put your coffee up, throw in that hand. Yeah, stay. 1 second. Stay.
That bow is really cute.
It's very cute. This picture is stay. Your body is also looking nice. Yeah, you want to go boomerang? You want to eat some bread? What?
That book cover is so adorable.
Yeah. I'm at the mall and I just saw McDonald's. So part of me is like, do I need a soft serve cone? I don't need it. But do I need chocolate? Oh my god, there's mad over donuts. What's happening, guys? 20 minutes, I can't seem to find a cab. So this is fun. Now I'm just waiting. This is ridiculous. I'm literally sitting here like that waiting for a cab because I can't. And it's alright. I'm back home. I'm so sleepy, but it was a good day, productive. Bye. Thank you for watching this. I look like I've cried because I just did such a cry.